Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall Microsoft Edge. First, let's exit from the Microsoft Edge and we're going to search for this PC. Let's open this up and open up our C drive. From here, let's open the program files x86 folder and let's open up the Microsoft folder in here, the Edge folder, application, and you will be able to see the folder with your Edge version. So let's open this up. Let's open the installer folder. After that, let's click on the path section right here and let's type in cmd and hit enter. And this will allow us to open the command prompt within the folder. After that, we are going to paste in a command, which is this one. I'll also put this in the description box below, so just copy it, hit Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V on the command prompt and hit enter. And that should be able to uninstall your Microsoft Edge in your computer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.